This is Alessandro, a world-class barista. And that's me. Alessandro has been Italian barista champion in 2018, 2019, and even got third place in the World Championship in 2019. And this is a medal I once got for participating in a football tournament when I was 9. So I figured I need a real champion to show me how coffee is made the Italian way. Maybe before we start, what's one thing that you think is super important?
The most important thing is to love it. Love something, it means to focus on it.
Focus on it, okay, that I can do. Ooh, what's that shiny thing over there? Now, Alessandro explained to me that there's literally two ways of having coffee in Italy. You know, the one at home, where you use a mocha pot, and the one in a cafe, where they make it for you with this fancy machine with this funny sound. So first was to learn how to make coffee in a mocha pot. Okay, look, this is what I learned. You gotta control the heat, cause too much heat burns the coffee. So keep the lid open and lower the temperature once the coffee comes running out. And the most important part, you lift it up and just let nature do its thing.
Finally, Lucina relents.
No, not that thing.
I have to stir
Before.
It's fruity, a bit acid, and this is quite uncommon in a mocha pot, but it's very nice, in my opinion.
It's perfect, you already done my job because you already described what it tastes like now. You've done it better. Can I just say how nice this guy is? I mean, I wish my teachers from school would have talked to me like that. Honestly, I think I would have been an expert on any subject. Okay, so the Italians invented coffee, right?
For sure, we not invented coffee. We invented some way to brew coffee.
Okay.
Espresso.
What differentiates a good coffee from a great coffee for you?
Something in that coffee blow you up.
Alessandro, you blow me out. What a friendly guy. Okay, so enough of Little League. Time for me to play with the big guns, you know, the espresso machine. And you might say, Flo, go easy, you know, master the one thing. Remember my medal? I don't go easy.
Vertical foot and to engage it.
Yeah, you saw that right. Alessandro measures exactly how much coffee grind he is gonna use, because he says that will influence the whole taste. And then counts how long it takes for the water, how many seconds, to run through the grind. You know, that's patience right there. I mean, I don't even have patience to sit through a YouTube video without my phone. Sorry, what? So you always count. You were counting now as well?
I have the technology.
I didn't see.
So wait, I have to put it on the top. So we had 33 grams in 27 seconds.
So you press start and
yes. So this is the time, this is the weight.
Yeah. Which means it took a few seconds too long. You know, not good enough. So we tweak a few things and adjust.
Distribution.
Now I know what you're thinking. Does it really make a difference? I mean, come on.
Oh yeah, oh wow. It's very different. Like you can really tell the difference.
Yes.
Oh wow, I'm surprised. Like it really, you can tell the difference. Fascinating. That just such short little tweaks make such a big difference.
Yes. Small differences make great change in the coffee.
Barista, philosopher. Guys, honestly, if you are in Bologna, visit this guy at his cafe. With my newfound love for cafe, you know, I still wanted to see why coffee is so important. So I met Paola, an amazing tour guide in Bologna.
Italians have a way, two things that they base their entire economy on.
Yeah.
Coffee and aperitivo. Coffee is just a way to talk to a person that you don't see very often. Let's go for a cafe really quickly and you have a little bit of a conversation.
Yeah.
So it's important to use it as a base. for meetups.
Now my life changed, come on, I was an intern of Alessandro, so I wanted to showcase my new knowledge.
The water is supposed to be drunk before the coffee.
Oh, so I already made a mistake.
Now the only time I've ever had coffee was, I'm afraid to say it, Starbucks. But you know what? Italy just has two, in whole Italy. And they are not particularly fond of it.
But to have Starbucks in Italy, and it is offensive. It's offensive. And they call it 20 grande. 20 means 20. Grande means big, and latte means milk.
Okay.
So why do you have these as measurements?
Sir, which size would you like? Give me a 20. Oh wait, no, give me a big one. Oh, you know what? No, I want the milk size. So in the end, I can only leave you with the words of a true coffee master.
Coffee for me is my life, my passion, and my future.
I love it. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. Very nice.